Did you know that if you were to try to make money from Sweatcoin, you'd have to walk non-stop for 300 years before you could make enough money to withdraw? Here are some ways to make money without sweating for your coin. Welcome to Big Money Build Up, where our aim is to point you to legit ways to make money online so we can all get an extra buck. If you stay till the end of this video, I will share with you a bonus to make more money in the end. If you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. Number 10. Search Engine Evaluator. Have you ever heard of search engine evaluators? There are a lot of companies that are looking for an evaluator to search their Google pages and help determine the relevancy of pages. There are 3 companies in particular that pay $12 per hour: SearchEngineEvaluator.com, Lionbridge, and Upfront. You can take advantage of this opportunity by choosing your own hours and working from home as long as you want. This job is ideal for beginners or people looking for a new way to earn extra income on the side. Number 9. YouTube Review Videos. A lot of people think that it's hard to make money online, but it's really not. If you know what you're doing, then it's super easy. There are lots of ways to make money on YouTube, but the easiest way is with a specific type of video called a review video. So here's how it works. You find an item, say a new smartphone, and then you film yourself using it for at least 1 to 5 minutes total. Then you upload those videos to YouTube and start uploading them regularly, at least once per week. This can be anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes long because everything is up to you. You can even add music or sound effects if you want. These kinds of videos don't need a lot of subscribers for views, and that anyone can get thousands of views regardless of how many subscribers they have. Number 8. Facebook Ad Management. You can earn money by offering an ad management service. Go on Google Maps and search for local businesses that have Facebook ads, like doctors' offices, dentists' offices, hairdressers, accountants, auto repair shops. Once you've found one, go to their website if they have one, and install Facebook Pixel Helper. It doesn't matter if you have or use Facebook. Then just go back to Google Maps and search for the business again. This time around, Facebook Pixel Helper should tell you whether or not they have ads on their page. If they do, well, good luck. But if they don't, let's find out what else can we do with this newfound knowledge. Go back to their contact page and send them an email offering your services as an ad manager. You don't need Facebook ad knowledge. You can simply outsource Facebook ad management on Fiverr. Number 7. Online Product Review. If you've been looking for a way to earn some extra cash, it's time for you to check out the website Capterra.com. Capterra is a website that allows you to earn dollars by reviewing products on there. Most of these products you have probably used and can leave genuine reviews of them. You can earn $10 Amazon gift cards per review, and they have a long list of products that you're able to review. Number 6. Remove background from photos. Remove background from photos is a very simple way to make money online. It takes less than a minute and doesn't require any skill at all. All you have to do is draw a couple of lines on a screen. That's it. You can get paid from $5 a gig and remove backgrounds from photos for your clients. You can use clippingmagic.com or a similar service instead of Photoshop to remove background from photos for your clients. All you have to do is draw a couple of lines on a screen. Number 5. Post simple videos. Videos designed to help people sleep get millions of views. Easy? Yes. No need to show your face or have super creative ideas. You can make videos of rain sounds, white noise by using copyright-free sounds, and monetize YouTube account, and make money from AdSense. Very sustainable and makes you passive income. Number 4. Rapid Workers. This site pays you for doing simple tasks like commenting and liking on YouTube, leaving Amazon reviews, and more. It's super simple, you just have to click a few buttons at home. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash without having to go out of your way or think too hard, this is it. Number 3. Earnably. They've got a site where you can earn money for doing simple tasks, like watching ads, watching trailers, and even doing little online jobs. You can do all of this from home, and they have a referral program where you get 10% of the earnings of your referrals. So if you're looking for an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time, check out Earnably today. Number 2. Watch online videos. Are you tired of watching the same irritating ads videos on YouTube, but want to make money from them? Well, we have a solution for you. The easiest way to make extra money online is by watching online videos and getting paid for every minute you watch. This is how it works. The website makes money from ads they play in videos you watch, and they share this ad money with you. The more ads play in your video, the more money you get. Watch from viral videos to TV shows, Earnably and iRazoo offer these opportunities. All these are legit easy ways to make money online, but I'm sure most of you don't want to spend hours on end in front of your computer just to make a little bit of money. There's a way to make passive income without having to commit so much of your time. This will always be my all-time greatest way to make an income online. I'd tell you all about it here, but it needs its own video. If you're interested, click the link in the description to find out more about it. Number 1. Copy and paste videos in YouTube. Pexels is a website that offers free, non-copyrighted videos. YouTube's audio library offers copyright-free music. You can download these videos and audios from the Internet Archive website and put them together to make a video that you can post on your channel or monetize on your own site. It's super easy, and it doesn't cost anything. Now, if you want to monetize your videos even more, there's ClickBank, which is just like Amazon, but for affiliate marketing. Again, very easy process. Just sign up with ClickBank and get started making money through affiliate links. So, there you have it, easiest ways to make money online. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and remember all this is just a build-up, a big money build-up.